as you mentioned, bias can come into play. If you're looking at who's been successful in this job before, maybe the company has a history of hiring from a particular school or a particular demographic, right? But you don't actually want to be canceling candidates because the model is saying, well, they didn't go to Stanford. Everyone who was here went to Stanford. As you think about building a model that is assessing the fit of an individual for a particular role, how have you taken steps to avoid scenarios where you'd be caught in bias?
Ever going to replace humans, but I do think recruiters that use AI may replace those who don't. So from a bias standpoint, I would say anytime you're scaling your impact and technology helps you scale your impact, you're also scaling your risk. So AI and tech can make things happen faster and more efficiently. But if you have the wrong people in process, it can also make the wrong stuff happen more efficiently wrong and more quickly wrong. So it always starts with the people in process, and, look at your full candidate journey and think about, where do you really want AI or where do you want automation? And the last thing I'll say is if you're using AI to do a human job, as you're thinking about bias, as you're thinking about, is this the right thing for us and for our candidates? I kind of think about it like you're hiring a human. So write a job description for it, interview it. So what skills and experience does it have? Like, where is it? What data is it trained on? Is it a culture ad? So I would take a human that costs a little more in many cases over a chat agent that costs less if the chat agent was impacting my company culture.